Good afternoon to all, ma. Once again,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
our AGO sir Rajendra Kumar Reddy sir garu, our convenience sir Somsekhar sir garu. Good afternoon, sir. My dear students, good afternoon to all. In previous class, we learned following topics: introduction of animal tissue, definition of animal tissue, structure of animal tissue, uses of animal tissue, and types of animal tissue. These are all topics discussed with in previous class, ma. Today I am going to explanation of connective tissue and types of connective tissue. Each one types of connective tissue, I will give explanation, ma. Okay. First of all, I explain the in this slide. All of you see in this slide also, ma. What is the classification of the tissue? What is the today in your lesson is animal tissue, ma. In our lesson, animal tissue. Animal tissue divided in 4 types. How many types ma animal tissue divided? How many types? 4 types. What are they?
4 types, ma'am.
What are they? Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. How many types of animal tissues are there? How many tissues
Four
are
types.
4 types. Animal tissue are 4 types are there. Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. Already in your previous class, epithelial tissue is over, ma. I will explanation in the previous class also. In this today class, I will go. I give the some more explanation of the connective tissue. See in this picture, this is the picture of the connective tissue, ma. Connective tissue, it has so many parts are there, so many types are there. I give every one type of the tissue. I give the explanation of the upcoming classes also, upcoming slides also. Okay, is the picture of the connective tissue. Observe in this picture, ma. Next, I'm going to give the explanation of the connective tissue. What is the main concept of the connective tissue? The connective tissue is the most abundant and widely distributed of primary tissues. Just like in made up of tissue, it helps to the connective tissue, ma. We know so many cells made up of tissue. Already in this class also you learned, sir. Sir. And next, what is the major functions of the connective tissue, ma? What is the main functions? The main functions of the connective tissue: binding, supporting, protecting, insulating, storing, storing reserve fuel, and transporting substances. These are all the major functions of the connective tissue. It is helps to binding and supporting, protecting, insulating, storing reserve fuel, and transporting substances in the food or blood. Is anything like that, ma? These are also through the activities from the functioning of the connective tissue. The major functions, ma. These are all major functions of the connective tissue. Connective tissue is one kind of animal tissue. Okay. Next, the connective tissue mainly, how many types are divided? 4 types are there. Remaining connective tissue also, how many types are there? 4 types. These are all connective tissue proper, cartilage, bone, blood. The 4 types of connective tissues are there. Okay. Animal tissue also 4 types. What are they? Epithelial, connective, muscular, and what is the
Nervous.
nervous? Epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous. Okay. In this connective tissue also remaining 4 types are there. These are all connective tissue proper, cartilage, bone, blood. I give each one type of in this connective tissue. I give the explanation of the upcoming classes also. Today I am going to explanation of cartilage, ma. Today I give the one kind of connective tissue. This is the one kind of the connective tissue is called as cartilage. Cartilage consists of dense network of the collagen fibers and elastic fibers embedded in the chondroitin sulfate. Chondroitin sulfate is one kind of chemical substances, ma. It is a framework, the network of in this cartilage. Cartilage is the inside of the tissue. It is network. During the network, it is basically it's consists of the cartilage, ma. Inside the cartilage also elastic fibers like collagen fibers like that. Inside it has like it has internally the tissue has a fibers like that sectors. That is the cartilage also the fibers like structures located from the tissue, connective tissue. Inside of the connective tissue, it is the elastic fibers and collagen fibers. These are also scientific names also everyone you keep in your minds also. In this cartilage also one kind of connective tissue. This is the mainly the tissue network inside of the connective tissue. The mainly network also it helps to the cartilage. Total network of connective tissue it helps to the cartilage. Next, the collagen fibers also due to the strength. The connective tissue is as a give the strength due to the strength that is given by the collagen fibers. And then relations is due to the chondroitin sulfate. The chondroitin sulfate is a one chemical substances. This form in the connective tissue inside. Internally the form to the inside of the connective tissue. Okay, ma'am. It is surrounded by a dense regular connective tissue membrane called the perichondrium. Perichondrium is the one kind of tissue inside of the connective tissue. Okay. This is also one kind of perichondrium tissue also. It has a cartilage, but the cartilage has no blood vessels and no nerves. Cartilage is no blood vessels and no nerves are there. Only perichondrium also it has a blood vessel. Okay, ma? Can you able to understand?
Okay.
Cartilage is one
Yes, ma'am.
of connective tissue, ma. Cartilage is one kind of connective tissue. Connective tissue, one kind of animal tissue. Okay, ma? Connective tissue, one kind of animal tissue. Cartilage is one kind of connective tissue. The connective tissue inside the form of network, it helps to the cartilage. Cartilage also, it has the cartilage inside that has no blood vessels and no nerves. But only the framing of the network. In the that means it helps to framing of the network and it helps to the cartilage. Okay, can you able to understand, ma'am? Shall I move to next slide? See, ma, in this picture also, inside the cartilage, the violet color dots is there now, ma'am. This is also inside the form of the cartilage, ma'am. Okay, shall I move to next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Another kind of connective tissue is called as bone. Already connective tissue has how many types are there, ma'am? 4 types are there. Connective proper tissues are there and cartilage, bones and blood. These are also kinds of connective tissue, ma'am. In the next kind of connective tissue is called as bone. See in this picture also, the anatomy of the bone. Bone is very strongest, ma'am. We know bone is very strongest, you know. Next, bone is a hard connective tissue that consists of living cells and a mineralized matrix. We know every living organisms inside. How many bones are there, ma? You know how many bones in inside of your human body? We know, ma. 206 bones are there in the internal body. Internal human body it has a 206 bones are there, ma. We know the bones also very hard connective tissue, ma. Inside very hard connective tissue is one kind of bone. The bone also living cells and the mineralized matrix, ma. All living organisms It has an internal, the bones are there. Bones, it gives the structure, and the every living organism, it given the support and it given the structure, the proper structure, it helps to the bone. It helps to the bone, it maintain of the universe, total body structure. It helps to the bones also. Bones is very strong, very hard connective tissue inside of tissues. Next, the strength and rigidity of the mineralized matrix enable bones to support and protect other tissues and organs of the body. We know internal so many organs are there. Every organ it made up inside so many bones are there. So many organs are there. Every organ is functioning in the living organisms, and inside so many bones it made up of the organs. Okay. Next, the bones also inside bone cells are made up. The bone all inside bone cells are there. The four types of the bone cells are there. Histogenic, histoblasts, histocytes, histoclasts. These are all the four types of the bone cells are there inside of the bone. Bone is one of hard connective tissue. These are all given the structure of the every living organism, and it's supporting to us every organ in the inside of living organisms. And the bone also inside bone cells are there, and the bone cells are four types of bone cells are there. That is histogenic, histoblast, histocytes, and histoclasts. These are all mainly bone cells are there inside of the bone. Can you able to understand, ma'am? Next, the matrix of the bone has organic and inorganic compound. You know, the bone is made up of inside organic and inorganic. Okay, organic, that means the organic portion is makes about the 1/3 of the dry wet of bone. Inside of 1/3 of dry and wet of bone. That is organic. That means inside of the organic bones is called as different. That means food components are there, no proteins, carbohydrates, fibers, minerals. These are all one kind of, it say the organic compounds. That means organic compounds in the bone also. Inside organic and inorganic compounds are there. Organic compounds is like that food components is called as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and fibers. These are also organic compounds inside of the bone. And next, inorganic compounds also is there. What is the inorganic compounds? 2/3 of the dry and wet. It is a mixture of calcium and phosphorus. We know, ma, bones are made up of calcium and phosphorus, ma. Calcium and phosphorus, one kind of chemical substances, ma. Very hard. It gives the hardest in the bone. It helps to the calcium and phosphorus chemicals. The elements, calcium and phosphorus elements also, it gives the bones also very hard and very, that means giving the supporting and protecting of in your body. That's why the bone internally, two kinds of components are there, organic and inorganic. Organic is called as food components. It's like that the proteins, carbohydrates, fibers, fats is where is called as organic compounds of inside of the bone. But inside of the bone, what are the inorganic compounds? The inorganic compounds is called as calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus is called as chemical substances. These are all elements of it, give the some hard and protecting of the bone. Can you able to understand my in this slide? Shall I move to next slide? Okay. Next, what are the inside of the bone? How many bone cells are there? Mainly the bone cells are histoblasts, histocytes, histoclasts. Mainly the histoblasts is a bone generating cells. Bone generating cells is called as building. The bone cells building and generating is called, it helps to the histoblasts. And what next? Mature bone cells, spider shaped and maintained bone tissue. We see in this diagram also, histocytes, it's the shape of spider. Spider like structure is there. Histocytes. This is the mature bone cell. Mature bone cell, and it gives the shape of bone tissue. Every bone tissue, it gives some structure. Already we know now bones is given the structure and maintain the protecting of everything. No, that is the main functioning is histocytes is the main functioning of the shape. In every living organism, it gives the shape of structure. It helps to the histocytes. Okay, ma, can you able to understand? Next, histoclasts also bone destroying cells. Ma. Destroying, that means it chewing, that means chewing. C means chewing. That means histoclasts also bone destroying cells. That means the destroying cells means that it has a reduce of the bones is called as it helps to the histoclasts. These are also kinds of the bone cells. The bone as the hardest tissue, hardest connective tissue. The hardest connective tissue, it helps to the every living organism. It is supporting, protecting, and giving the structure of the shape of structure. And is called as the bone cells. Also, different kinds of bone cells are there. Is called as histoblasts, histocytes, and histoclasts. This histoblasts also it functioning of the generating of the cell is called building of the cells. Generating means building of the cells. Okay, building of the bone cells is it helps to the histoblasts. Next, the shape of the bones it gives the help to the histocytes. Next, destroying of the cells it helps to the histoclasts. These are all the main cells of bone cells of the inside of the bone. Okay, ma, can you able to understand? Shall I move to next slide? Okay. What is the main functioning of the histocytes? Histocytes is the main role, it plays to the main role. Ma. Internal bones, it main role play to the histocytes. This is the picture of the histocytes. See in this picture. Some histoblasts become entrapped within the matrix. They secrete whether mineralized or unmineralized. These cells then are called histocytes. Already we know the histocytes, it helps to the shape of the bone, shape of the structure. Okay, it has secrete anything mineralized or unmineralized of this like that, anything like that. It is some given the protection and it helps to how to maintain the inside of the bone. That's why the histocytes also main role, it act from the main role inside of the bone. Bone is one kind of connective tissue. Connective tissue, one kind of animal tissue. Okay. Next, more rapid bone formation, more histocytes are present for the unit of value. In your internal, the bones also it maintain of the value of a unit inside. It maintains of this like that in the bones. That helps to the histocytes. Everything it maintains of the structure, it maintains of the shape, it maintains of the protecting is like this. That is, it helps to the histocytes. Okay, ma'am. Next, as a general rule, embryonic bone and repair bone have more histocytes than this lamellar bone. We know embryonic bone means just like inside of the embryoma, pindum is a general, that means every embryo it formed to the bones is like that in the stage of starting stage of the embryo. That's why it helps to the histocytes. Ma. It is one shape. We know mother womb it has a one baby. ఒక తల్లి తన గర్భంలో బిడ్డను మోస్తూ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ తన గర్భంలో తల్లి పిండం మాత్రమే తన తల్లి గర్భంలో పిండం మాత్రమే ఏర్పడుతుంది. ఆ పిండము నుంచి అన్ని ఆర్గాన్స్ డెవలప్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది డేస్ పెరిగే కొద్దికి. ఆ డేస్ పెరిగే కొద్దికి ఆ ఆర్గాన్స్ అంతా కూడా ఆ బోన్స్ అంతా కూడా మేడప్ అవ్వాలి ఆ ఎంబ్రోకి అంటే it helps to the histocytes. That is, you say the embryo. Okay, ma, can you able to understand, ma? In the starting stage to in the ending of the stage. It helps to the histocytes. Okay, ma, can you able to understand? Shall I move to next slide? Okay, ma. This is Another kind of the connective tissue. Blood also another kind of the connective tissue. See ma, blood is the one kind of connective tissue. Okay, the blood is the main functioning is transport to the blood all parts of the body, through the all parts of the body. Okay, next already the blood has a hemoglobin one pigment that is indicate of the red in color in the blood. The first of all, the average adults it has a blood 5 liters ma. Average adult has a 5 liters of the blood. Every adults. Okay, blood is 4 times more viscous as water. That means the blood including water also ma. Blood is a one fuel like structure that is inside of the fuel. Same like that, it including water also. Water percentage also is there, including water also. Okay, ma. That is hematocrit measures, ma. You know already, blood is red in color. Red in color indicates inside hemoglobin is there, one pigment is there. That is, it show the color is red in color. The hemoglobin is one iron pigment. This also we know the blood also it some different kinds of the blood cells are there, ma. See, the 45% is made up of blood cells are there. What is the blood cells? Inside of the blood cells, 3 types are there, ma. Blood as a 3 types of blood cells are there. The blood cells is one is RBC, WBC, blood platelets. RBC means red blood cells. WBC means white blood cells. The third one is blood platelets. These are all blood cells inside of the blood. The blood has a 3 blood cells are there. The first one is red blood cells. The second one is white blood cells. The third one is blood platelets. These are all the blood cells also the pumping of the blood in through the all parts of the body. That is the tissue, the one kind of the connective tissue of the blood. Okay. Next, remaining 50% of in blood is there plasma. 100% of the blood is there no ma. 45% is blood cells ma. Remaining 55% is plasma. The plasma it has a water, amino acids, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, vitamins, hormones, electrolytes, cellular waste. These are all the kinds of the components are there in plasma. Okay ma. Blood as a main components are there plasma and blood cells. 50% of the plasma including some components are there. What is the components? Water, amino acid, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, vitamins, hormones, electrolytes, cellular waste. These are all we get in the food. It sent to this type of the components. Every living organism we get the food, it remaining it that means water and amino acids also it convert. The blood also it take the food, it will get the food and it convert to the this type of components: water, amino acids, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, vitamins, hormones, electrolytes, cellular waste. These are also the components in plasma. Plasma is one kind of blood ma. And remaining blood cells are there. Remaining blood cells, 40% of the blood cells are there in blood, and that is the red blood cells, white blood cells, and blood platelets. Okay, can you able to understand, ma? Shall I move to next slide? See, these are also types of the blood cells pictures, ma. See, red blood cells, blood platelets. These are also white blood cells, ma. Monocytes, lymphocytes, eosinophils, neutrophils, basophils. These are all kinds of the white blood cells, ma. Okay, red blood cell platelets are there, but remaining white blood cells is there in the monocytes, lymphocytes, eosinophils, neutrophils, basophils. These are all kinds of white blood cells. Okay, ma, can you able to understand? Blood cells are 3 types are there: RBC, WBC, blood platelets. Remaining red blood cells are platelets. That the white bloods also it has so many compounds are there. What is that? monocytes, lymphocytes, eosinophils, neutrophils, basophils. These are all kinds of the white blood cells, ma. Okay, ma, can you able to in this slide? Shall I move to next slide? See, the first I'll give the explanation of the red blood cells, ma. This is the main blood cells of in our every human. That means every living organism also. This most of your blood is made up of red blood cells. Most of your blood is made up of red blood cells, ma. The red color comes from a pigment in these cells called hemoglobin. Already I told no. The pigment is there, indicates a red in color. That is called hemoglobin. The red blood cells also transport oxygen from the lungs to body. Cells where it is used to make energy during respiration also. Okay, ma? Can you able to understand very carefully? Red blood cells transport oxygen from the lungs to the body. Next, the body cells also where it used to make of energy during respiration. Already all living organisms also respiration process, during the respiration process, inhalation, exhalation, the process of this. That is red blood cells also it helps to during the process of the respiration, and same time it transpiration of the oxygen also, oxygen nutrients also transpiration of the all parts of the body. Okay, next the oxygen combines with the hemoglobin to form of oxyhemoglobin. Already the blood cells also it has a oxygen. Okay, oxygen combines with the hemoglobin is form of oxyhemoglobin. This also the blood it through the process of the red blood cells it is sent to all parts of the body. So many activities during the internal all living organisms. But the blood cells also it helps to all the during the activities. Respiration, pumping to the blood, heart to body, and all parts of the body, all parts of the body to heart. These are also that during the some activities it helps to the red blood cells. Okay, the red blood also is a blood is made up of red blood cells. Most of blood is made up of red blood cells. The red blood cells indicate of the hemoglobin pigment is there. That is it. That's why the blood is red in color. Same, the red blood cells also it transport to the oxygen nutrients in through the all parts of the body. And same time, the red blood cells it participate to them during the process of the respiration. It helps to like that. And next, the red blood cells it has a already it combines the oxygen also. That's it say the oxyhemoglobin. Okay, ma, can you able to in this slide? Shall I move to next slide? Okay. Next, one kind of blood cell is white blood cells. Ma. Already connective tissue has a 4 types are there: cartilage, connective proper tissues, and next one is bone and blood. I give you some explanation of the blood. Blood already it has blood cells and plasma. Blood cells are remaining 3 types are there: red blood cells, white blood cells, and blood platelets. RBC also, what is the functioning of this discussed with in previous slide. And in this white blood also, what is the functioning of the white blood cells is called is also one kind of leukocytes. Another name is white blood cells, another name is leukocytes. Red blood cells, another name is erythrocytes. One is the scientific names also. RBC, red blood cells, another name is erythrocytes. And white blood cells, another name is leukocytes. Red blood cells is indicate of red in color. The cells also color in red in, it flow the blood also red in color. But the white blood cells are indicate the not show the color. That means colorless cells, colorless blood cells. Okay, the much larger than red blood cells. 1 cubic millimeter of blood contains 700 to 7,000 to 8,000 white blood cells are there. 1 cubic millimeter of blood. అంటే మీ ఒక క్యూబిక్ మిల్లీమీటర్ ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్ లో ఎన్ని వైట్ బ్లడ్ సెల్స్ ఉంటాయి అంటే 7,000 to 8,000 ఆఫ్ వైట్ బ్లడ్ సెల్స్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ద వైట్ బ్లడ్ సెల్స్ మా. నెక్స్ట్ what is the form of the white blood cells? It form of the bone marrow. ఈ యొక్క వైట్ బ్లడ్ సెల్స్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఉత్పత్తి అవుతుందంటే బోన్ మ్యారో. Bone marrow, it forms to the white blood cells ma. Okay. The white blood cells lifespan depends on the body need, so they have lifespan of the months or even years. Not only in this period of the time in the lifespan of the white blood cells ma, but white blood cells also not remaining to regenerating, not remaining to the regenerating also. It is one kind of fighters also ma. Okay. Next, the white blood also white blood cells also it has a colorless blood cells and the white blood also 1 cubic millimeter is blood contains 7,000 to 8,000 white blood cells also. The white blood also is a form of bone marrow. Okay ma. Can you able to understand in this slide? Shall I move to next slide? Okay. Yes, sir. 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 See, ma. Another kind of blood cells also thrombocytes or blood platelets, ma. The blood platelets are a normal platelet count range from 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 platelets per the micro liter of the blood. In our blood, the blood platelets has range of 1,50,000 to 4,50,000. Thus, the platelets having a more than 4,50,000 platelet is the condition called thrombocytosis. Having less than platelets is 1,50,000 is less than is known as thrombocytopenia. This is the came from the what is the maintenance of this diseases also. The range of 1,00,000 to 50,000 to 4,50,000 is the range of the blood platelets ma. These blood platelets is above or more than or less than. This also affecting the condition also differ. Okay. What is the main functioning of the thrombocytes or blood platelets? Blood clotting, retraction, defense of the mechanism, hemocytosis, repair and rupture of the blood vessel. These are all the functioning of the blood platelets. Blood also remaining 3 types are there ma. Red blood cells, white blood cells and blood platelets. Red blood cells other name is erythrocytes. White blood cells other name is leukocytes. Blood platelets another name is thrombocytes. Okay. White blood cells this is no. Some thousands of the white blood cells are there in the in internal body of the blood, but same like that the blood platelets also the range of the 1,00,000 to 50,000 and to 4,00,000 to 50,000. 4,50,000 is platelets is above, that is its condition is a thrombocytosis, and below the less than the 1,50,000 is known as thrombocytopenia. These are the effects from the what is the less than and what is the more than of the thrombocytes or blood platelets. This is the main functioning of blood clotting ma. నీకు ఎప్పుడైనా నీకు కట్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు నీకు బ్లడ్ అనేది బయటకు వస్తుంది మా. అది నిలవకుండా అలాగే వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, అక్కడ బ్లడ్ ప్లాట్లెట్స్ అనేవి నీకు కౌంటింగ్ లో కరెక్ట్ గా లేదని అర్థం. ఎప్పుడైతే నీకు బ్లడ్ నువ్వు కట్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు నీ బ్లడ్ కొంచెంసేపటికి అంతా కూడా ఏమవుతుందంటే క్లాట్ అవ్వాలి. నీకు ఒక గాయం ఏర్పడింది, రక్తం నీకు ఫ్లో అవుతూ ఉంది, రక్తం ఫ్లో అవుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు అదేం చేయాలి, కొంచెంసేపటికి బ్లడ్ అనేది ఇలా గట్టిగా పట్టుకున్నప్పుడు అది ఆగిపోవాలి. అది ఆగిపోతేనే ఇన్సైడ్ ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్ ప్లాట్లెట్స్ ఇస్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ నార్మల్. అది నార్మల్ రేంజ్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి బ్లడ్ కొంచెం ఇలా గట్టిగా పడుకున్నప్పుడు అది క్లాట్ అయింది అంటే దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ ఆఫ్ ఫంక్షనింగ్ ఇస్ బ్లడ్ క్లాటింగ్. రక్తం గడ్డ కట్టడానికి సహకరిస్తుంది. రక్తం గడ్డ కట్టకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది, బ్లడ్ ఎప్పుడు ఫ్లో అవుతూనే ఉంటే ఇంకా కట్టేటప్పుడు బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి, నీలో ఉన్న రక్తం అంతా వెళ్ళిపోయిందంటే అది ప్రాబ్లం కదా. దట్ ఈస్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇన్ దిస్ రివర్స్మా. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ ఫంక్షనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్లడ్ క్లాటింగ్. అక్కడ రక్తాన్ని పూర్తిగా స్రావం కాకుండా కంట్రోల్ చేస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఇస్ కంట్రోల్ బై ది బ్లడ్ ప్లాటిలెట్స్ మా. కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ మా? Sir, Ilyas sir. Ilyas sir. Ilyas sir. Any doubts are there, ma? Can you able to understand in this slides also, ma? Ilyas sir. Any doubts are there, ma? Can you able to understand in this class? How many bloods? See, ma, the connective tissue, already animal tissue also 4 types. One kind of connective tissue. Connective tissue remaining 4 types are there. And connective tissue also, proper connective tissue and cartilage and bone and blood. And in this class also, I will give the explanation of the cartilage, bone, blood. These are all the main, and another part is their proper tissues are upcoming classes also I give the explanation, ma. Any doubts are there? Ma, unmute yourselves, anybody? Unmute yourselves, ma. Deepika, Madhavi, Rekha Kalyani, unmute yourself.